it's a different mindset, right? We'll be talking about mindset this weekend. It's a different mindset that these people have. So you don't think that people won't pay it. And then ladder levels. Don't put sticks underneath of it. Don't put rocks underneath of it. What happens when we do? They fall out and the ladder falls over, and then it bends like a dog leg, and now you got to replace the ladder. They're $100. So that's kind of where you're looking at cost-wise. A frame ladder does help. But I would do a 22 or 24 foot. Don't go to the 26 because it jumps up in weight really fast. From the 24 to the 26, it gets almost twice as heavy. So do the 24, and that's where you want to really be at. Vest, these work awesome. The reason why I like the vest better than I like the side of pouches on the side of you. I know I've used to use pouches on the side. The problem with pouches is when you're up on a roof, they're kind of get in the way, so you're kind of here. The nice thing about these vests, they keep them up top here. I can keep everything in. I can put my little thing here, so I don't even have to pull it out. I can just click it from in my pocket here. I can put my cutters. I got my males, my females. I have everything with me right here in my pocket. So these here are about 40 bucks. Don't go to Dick's and buy one there. Get it off Amazon. You get them for 40, 50 bucks. If you go to Dick's, they're $200 to $300. Because one time I didn't have one at a class and I wanted to go buy one at Dick's, and I was like, oh, that's a lot more money than I wanted to spend, so I didn't buy it.